What makes Mexico a top tourist destination in the world?
Mexico is considered as a top tourist destination in the world for its attractions like the beaches, with the coastlines on the Pacific Ocean and the Caribbean Sea. For example, beach like Cabo and San Lucas, whereby it provides luxury resorts and whale-watching opportunities to the tourists.
Mexico is considered a top tourist attraction destination, mostly because of its cultural and historical attractions. For example, the ancient ruins and vibrant cities, whereby the tourists may be attracted to visiting numerous museums, modern architecture.
Mexico is chosen a top tourist destination in the world because of its affordable luxury, where all-inclusive resorts and budget are friendly options.
Corona capital, there is huge international music festival at Autodromo Hermanos Rodriguez.
Generally safe for tourists, particularly in areas like Roma, which makes it a top chosen tourist destination.
2. Which destinations in Mexico are popular with top spenders?
One of the destinations that is popular with the top spenders is the Los Cabos. The Los Cabos is located at the Baja California Peninsula. Los Cabos Municipal is a hotspot for the wealthy travelers and the celebrities.
One of the destinations in Mexico with top spenders is Riviera Maya, which is located on the Caribbean Sea of Mexico, specifically on the Yucatan Peninsula in the state of Quintana. Quinta in Mexico is a town beach on Mexico Pacific coast, and it is located at the tip of Bahias de Banderas, and it's considered as the top destination for celebrities.
It's one of the most popular destinations with top spenders, which attracts a mix of tourists, which are the wealthy and the elite.